Video editing might be your least favorite part of making videos, but lucky for you, today I have a few really quick tips to help make editing even easier. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos helping you create better designs and better business. So the key to making editing easier actually starts when you are recording. So my very first tip that helps make editing easier is to actually record your video in segments. When I'm recording my videos, I'll start with my intro and then I will take a slight pause. Then I'll go into the first step, like what I'm talking about right now. When I get done with this part of the video, then I'll take another slight pause and go into the next step, what you're about to see in a few seconds. By recording in this way, it makes it easy when I'm editing because I just look for the dead space in the clips where there's no audio. I cut that out and it makes it easy to add in any slides or graphics that I need to add in between clips. Now there are two things to remember when you are recording these segments. The first of which is if you're looking at notes or a script, that's fine, but be sure you are fully set and ready to record. You don't want to come onto the screen talking like this and you've already started a sentence and you're moving. You want to be sure you're fully set and then start talking. The same can be said when you are finishing a talking point because you don't want to be finishing a sentence and you're already looking for your script. The other thing to remember is that you may have to do a few takes. If you forget something, you stumble over a word, or maybe you just don't like how something sounds. Totally fine, I do it too. But when you are going through these different takes, whether it's the third time or the 8th time and you finally nail it, clap as soon as you are done. When you're editing, you will see a spike in the audio when you have clapped. Then you can look for each of the spikes and know that the last take closest to each clap is the one that you want to use. I do have some video editing tutorials that I will link to down below. If you have any questions, let me know and I will see you in the next video.